Welcome everyone to something a bit new in a way. As you can see, I'm in ARMA 3 again, but we're going to do something new. Basically, we are going to do tanks. Basically, we're going to learn how to use them ourselves, learn how to each one, well not each tank, but those that we should do. For this case, we are going to do the M4A1, I forgot what the rest was called. M4 something. M2A4 Slammer. There we go. Jeez. As you can see, is a NATO class tank. Basically, it's one of the main battle tanks you see in nearly every ARMA 3 video. It goes at least a speed of I think 42 miles, 43. Oh. Depending on what road it goes on, it goes higher speed. Top speed is 44 apparently from the looks of it. As you can see, I'm in a bit of train view, and it looks like it makes some tight turns depending on full speed. As you can see, this tank requires, I believe, 3 people? 3 people. A commander, a gunner, and a passenger. Well, commander, gunner, passenger, and driver. Technically 4, so yeah, 4. And of course, this vehicle has a very powerful weapon, a gun, very powerful gun, as we are about to test right about. Let's test it on this thing. Come on. As you see, the loading takes a while to load. And let's see if we can test it on something. Oh, that'll do. Ooh, that one ricocheted. You see that? That one, as you can tell, this is basically a training video. I'm trying to do a training video of vehicles and tanks. But I don't know if this will work or not. So this is going to be a little bit of an intro of those training videos. If you are interested in seeing them, please comment down below saying that you wish to and all that. So hopefully it will work out so brilliantly. And I might not do it in the showcase, I'll do it in the editor and on different terrains to show you how this tank works. And we're about to crash. See? As you can tell already, tanks, even though they should go through everything, they don't go through everything. This is a simulation game, so physics don't really work out so well, as you can see clearly with that earlier with that fence. It nearly just went full face down. And there's a warthog up there. You see it? There it is. As you can tell, the tank can go above everything as usual, since it is a tank. But as always, I am your host, Sci-Fi Wonder, and this is a intro to the tank. Until then, hopefully I will upload more of these type of videos and training. Until then, I was your host, Sci-Fi Wonder. See you all later.